nge-South Africa phambili. Alright, ngoba sihlangene la ngicabanga ukuthi ayekho phakathi kwethu obhorekile ukhona? Ukhona mhlawumbe olambile washiya ingane wathi nje ngizobhorekela ngala? Ngoba sila ngoba sikhathele. And masikhathele kancane silokhu sitest ukukhathala kwethu ukuthi sekukhathele ngempela noma kukhathele okuncane noma kukhathele kakhulu. President uyakwazi ukukhipha amaphoyisa amangaka aze kwiSADC. Okuyinto right asiphiki ngoba phela siyakwazi ukuthi khona abantu abasuka emazweni angaphandle. But siyacela bakhiphe namaphoyisa amangaka yokhipha abantu bokufika. Yini enzima ngokuthi umuntu osezweni kongemthetho vele kufanele ahambe indaba fanele silokhu sicela. Kanti izwe njani lela abantu bakhona fanele bazibamasho bemashela uhulumeni ukuthi enze into ayibhale yena phansi emthethweni ukuthi wrong. Uhulumeni onjani lona okwazi ukuthi azibe abantu njengoba elapha nje upresident wethu uthe unamahloni ngokuthi thina siyamasha. Ngokuthi khona ingane zabulawa ukudla kwasema-tuck-shop amaSomali. Akazi umuzi wethu unamahloni ngalokho. Nakanamuzi upresident ethi unamahloni ngokuthi amaSomalia ey'tolo zababulala iy'ngane zethu. Nakanamuzi upresident ethi unamahloni meyibuka usizokuthola every single Sunday kuvela ama-Nigeria enza ama-drugs. Nakanamuzi upresident ethi unamahloni ngokuthi amazamazama enza lapha yakhipha abantu emakubo. Emzini yabo ama-communities alala emahholo ngenxa yamazamazama nakenamuzwa kusho lokho. Nakenamuzwa yini upresident ethi unamahloni ngey'ngane lezi endlwengulayo ema-tuck-shop dlwengula ibona labantu basivela ngaphandle. Nakenamuzwa upresident ethi unamahloni ukuthi iy'ngane zase-South Africa azinaso ispace e-Eddington kodwa ezami ngaphandle ziyakwazi ukungena. Nakenamuzwa amahloni apresident Cyril Ramaphosa aqhamuka mefanele ahambe yongcetheza kulabo abanamamayini abo nabo la emazweni abo. Mawunganamali eSouth Africa uthathwa serious. Umuntu omnyama eSouth Africa uthathwa serious. Ama-Pakistan asuka ePakistan ngisho wonke umuntu usuwasilwela thina wasilwela. IPakistan yini yasenzela yona iPakistan kuze kube babenayo yonke into la eSouth Africa. Yini esayenzela iPakistan ukuthi amaphoyisa njalo ehlele ehambe namaPakistani wagadile. iPakistan Association of South Africa beyibiza kanjalo. Hlezi behamba namaphoyisa nebhena yamaphoyisa. Ngobani? iSomalia yona usuka eSomalia uze la angazi mangaka amazwe owadlulayo before ufike la. Bathi bangama-refugee bangama-asylum seeker bashiya wonke lawa mazwe wonke lawa mazwe baza la. Ngobani lengane khona la ezweni yazi ukuthi nekhona ngizonitshela mina. One kukhona uhulumeni olele. Uhulumeni odayisa abantu bakhe. Uhulumeni onabantu abathi basikhiphe ehlupheni wababhunu basifake ehlupheni wabantu bangaphandle. Abantu ababona ukuthi ngoba nakho babekhona during i-liberation struggle mhlawumbe thina siyabakweleta ukuthi badayise ngezwe lethu sikhona. Sinohulumeni onganendaba nabantu bakubo bangase kushona iPakistan la kungaduma izwe lonke umhlaba wonke ukuthi iPakistan life la. Kodwa nabo abantu bakithi bayashona bebulawa abantu njengamanje abalwela ama-tuck-shop bayafa kodwa akazuzwe nohulumeni esinakanye ukuthi unamahloni. Banamahloni ngamaforeign aphela uyazi ngobani? Ngoba bayazi ukuthi bebegibela lamabhono yabizayo bemazweni abo bayogada amamayini abo nabo ngale. Abanendaba nathi uyabona ngoba sekuzokhankasa senizobabona-ke. Senizobabona-ke njengoba kuzokhankasa. Bezonilethela izinkwa. Benilethela ama-t-shirts. Kube ngani nijabule nifuna ama-t-shirts. Manje ngiyabuza kunina ukuthi koze kube yini nivotela abantu abanganifuni. Koze kube yini lokhu nithi amthanda usibantwana engakuthandi wena. Koze kube yini uvotela amakhansela ukuthi mase esevoteliwe akhistezwe wena uhlale ku2 room. Koze kube yini bantu base South Africa njalo osopolitiki bedala ngani. Namanje njengoba sila amaZimbabwe nadelela buya ngokuzolala. Basitshela la emehlweni ukuthi sesiyabuya thina besisashawe ibreak. Asuka amaZimbabwe asitshela ukuthi sizofa thina ajabula celebrate. Kodwa mangase uthatha umnyango wangumbeke la amaZimbabwe ayathoba. Uyazi ngobani? Ngoba bayakwazi uhulumeni wabo ukuthi awudlala ufana nalo Popeye wethu wahulumeni. Asihulumeni thina sinePopeye. Izinto ezenza sho ukuthi ngisho ngafika mina nemali namhlanje banginika noma yini engifuna oPopeye abangacabangeli isasa lengane zabo. Izinto ezitshela ukuthi zohlale zikuhulumeni forever. Engazi ukuthi nabo bese befile ingane zabo zobehlala kulona leli zobalidayisayo. Bathemba ukuthi bazoyisa pheshana bayabaxosha bazobuya bezela. So leli zobalidayisayo kancane bacabanga ukuthi badayisa thina kanti basidayisa bona. Niyobona ama-NGO bazibashonephi la kade bela bethi anti-xenophobia bani sebehambile la bebo-5-6 bezothi ngoba angazi umqondo wethu bantu omnyama sinjani thina angazi konke wrong kodwa ngathi uyabona uye eDubai ubona ama-Arab ano-oil lo oil ubenefit America ubenefit ama-Arab. Yini thina sinayo igold le yase South Africa benefits umuntu omnyama. Yini sebenefit u350 ngicela ukuthi nithole u350. Yona nje into enza ukuthi nje nihambe nivuke seniyovotela labantu ngo350 nje owodwa. Ngizobuyela emuva ngikhuluma ngezizathu sokuthi sibe la. Sila ngoba lapha e-ICC kuhlangene ohulumeni bamazwe lawa awumakhelwane bethu oMalawi, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, Zambia, Namibia. Kulamazwe engiwashoyo khona amazwe angeke azasihluphe. Ngeke uzuze nje kuthi umuntu waseNamibia uyagcaluza la. Ngeke uzuze umuntu waseNamibia kuthi uyasidelela. Never. Awusoze uze umuntu waseBotswana kuthiwa nangethuka abantu base-South Africa social media. Kodwa sinenkinga yamaZimbabwe. Number 1. Bafike bezosidelela ezweni lethu bese besidelelile bese bethi thina futhi esirong. Ngeke ukuthi umakhelwane usuke kwelinye izwe uzoqushiswa la ngoba uhulumeni wakho akanalutho akanatwa. Akakwazi nokuprovide isinkwa sokulala udlile. Uphinde wasufike la uzodelelathi basidelela ngobani? Basidelela ngoba uhulumeni wethu banika imvumo. Ngoba uhulumeni wethu awudelelekile ngoba akekho phasi kwendawo ongagibela eZimbabwe afike wethuka amaZimbabweni. Akhona yedwa phasi kwendawo yokwenza lokho. Ngoba thina sihlonipha ngisho intuthwane yakhona kodwa thina basidelela. Njalo ekuseni sibuka namavidiyo amaZimbabwe la enza ubugebengu eGoli. Abakwenzi-ke la ngoba bayazi ukuthi isibhaxo siyakhala. Kodwa kuyoze kube yinini sidelela amaZimbabwe nezweni lethu. Sibabizile ngasathi sicela bezolanda memorandum la. Ngoba leyo memorandum ishintshela ukuthi it's time ukuthi balanda abantu babo. Sikhathele thina manje. Ama-Malawians ade egcwele lapha e-drive through. Ophuma lonke inhlobo lesulumane nomlungu beyobanika ukudla. Lonke inhlobo ongayicabanga. Same people ehlele kuthiwa bayazonda by the way. But ama-Malawians bayagijima basiza ngobani? Aniyibuze nje nini. Yini engenza ukuthi abelungu laba bangasifuni la namasulumane la abuya athi siyabantshontshela abasifuni begijime beyosiza abantu okuwukuthi abantu bangaphandle. Baqhamuka bonke labantu bebehleli lapho bebelalaphi bebedlani ubani obebeqashile bebesebenzaphi. Njengamanje kuthiwa abantu abakhishiwe South Africa baphindisela bawu-200,000. Incane kakhulu leyo nyanga. Incane kakhulu leyo nyanga. And uyazi indaba bengahambile, abahambile ngoba bakatshelwa uhulumeni sibahambe. Bahambile ngoba batshelwe yithina, basihloniphe thina siyilungu sokubona.
Hi everyone, my name is Jacinta Mangobese Zuma, the leader and founder of March and March. In the past 17 months, the March and March movement has made some significant strides in making sure that South Africans are put first in their country, and for the first time we're seeing lawmakers and people who are supposed to be doing their job actually doing their job. But none of this would have been possible without the people who were there from day one. And when I talk about day one, I mean people who were there sacrificing their time, making sure that when nobody believed that this concept could even be anything that goes past one march that has failed, they were there to say, you know what, because we believe in you and we believe in the vision of putting South Africans first, we're going to make sure that we are part of March and March. Today, we're seeing the significant growth of March and March. We're seeing the significant strides that have been made simply because people believed in it when it was just it wasn't even a baby. It was still an idea that I was pregnant with. And one of those people today has been put forward to be the mayoral candidate of Durban, eThekwini. And knowing eThekwini and the significant problems that we have faced as a municipality, it's very, very important that we choose the right people. This particular person has always been seen standing for the people and with the people. And for us, it is very heartwarming to see that they continue to put their name forward to make sure that they stand with the people. Today, in my very own hometown, KwaMashu, where I grew up as a young girl with great vision and great dreams and hope for the future of the country, it is really, really exciting for me to know that this is the same place that's going to be announcing the Action SA mayoral candidate for the year 2026 and for the 4th of November local government elections. So to the people today of eThekwini, please, let's celebrate, let's put our hands together for the Action SA mayoral candidate, and let's make sure that when the 4th of November comes, we do not make the mistake of choosing people who do not choose us. So congratulations and thank you, Action SA, for making sure that you are putting your best foot forward, best candidates forward to make sure that these are great leaders with great capacity to run all the municipalities and all the wards that you have been put forward. We congratulate you in all the work that you continue to do to make sure that you put South Africans first. And whether it's local government elections or in the national government, we see you in Parliament putting together motions that seek to put South Africans first. We know that the work is going to continue. So today's announcement is the beginning of yet another milestone for the political party and hopefully for many other places that need great leadership. We say today that let the action begin, let the work begin, And March and March is always going to be rooting for people who we've seen to be putting South Africans first, and who we know that they will make sacrifices for our people instead of putting corruption first. So thank you once again, and congratulations, and we wish you all the best, and we know that we can trust in you. So all the best. Go ahead and do it for the people of eThekwini.